This IX Developer instruction video will present how report templates are configured and added to an application. We will first create a basic report template which present a few tag values. Our report template will present the values of the tags called tank level 1 and tank level 2. Open Microsoft Excel. We have already prepared a sheet with the subject and logo. Start by typing in some static text. In this example, we will use tank level 1 and tank level 2. In a report template, a certain syntax needs to be followed. Less than, pound, tag, open parenthesis, the tag name, in this case tank level 1, and parenthesis, greater than sign. Now we'll type in the same text but change the tag name to tank level 2. You may also add calculations to the report template. In this example, we will present the sum of both of our tank levels. Type in equals, then click on cell B2, type in plus, and then click on B3. Finalize the statement by pressing enter. Save the template. It is important to note that it needs to be saved in XLS format. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon menu and select Reports. Click on the Add button and navigate to the path where the report template is stored. In order to generate the report, we need to configure an action. Select a button and select Generate Report Action. The template can either be printed or generated as a file. Click on the triple dot or ellipsis button to specify where the file should be stored. Let's simulate the application by clicking on the green Run icon. Notice that tank volumes are 55 and 19. When clicking on the Basic Report button, a report will generate. Once the generated report is open, we see that the cells have been populated with values, and that the Excel function is calculated. In the next section of this video, we will create a report template that will access historical data from the runtime database. Make sure that you have added at least 2 sheets in your template. One of the sheets will contain SQL queries. Rename the configuration sheet to less than, pound, config, greater than. Row 10 and all rows below can be used to configure SQL queries. Enter a query name in column A, in this case, get alarms. Enter the SQL query in column B. Type general to access recipes, data loggers, and alarms. Type audit trail to access the audit database. Then we just need to write a SQL query. In this example, we will access the alarm server and retrieve all rows. Now let's design our report. Click on an empty sheet and add a few header texts. For example, time and text. To retrieve the content from the database, less than, pound, get alarms, dot active time, greater than. Get alarms is the query name and active time is a column in the alarm server table. You can use a SQLite database viewer to examine how tables and columns are named and configured. In the next cell, we type in less than, pound, get alarms, dot text, greater than. Finally, these 2 cells need to be named. Select the cells and click on the Formulas ribbon tab. Click on the Define Name button. The name must start with 2 underscores followed by the query name and end with 2 underscores. In this example, we will use underscore underscore get alarms underscore underscore. The last step is to format the A column so that it presents the collected data in the correct format. Right-click and select Format Cells. Select Time and click on OK. Click on Reports in the Project Explorer. Click on the Add button and navigate to the path where the report template is stored. Select a button, add the Generate Report action, and select Report 2 instead of Report 1. Let's simulate the application by clicking on the green Run icon. There are currently 3 alarms stored in the database. These will be included in the report. The report is generated after clicking on the button. When examining the output file, you will notice that the configuration sheet has been removed and that the cells have been populated with the alarm data.